Hello friends, welcome back to Novita Creations. Today I am showing how to make ridge gourd pachadi. Ridge gourd is called in Telugu Birakaya. Neti Birakaya pachadi. I am showing in Novita Creations today. For that you need 2 tablespoons of chana dal, 2 tablespoons of white urid dal, 1 by 4 spoon of cumin seeds, pinch of turmeric, red chilli powder as much as you required. It's usually takes 6 to 8 whole red chillies or 1 spoon of red chilli powder. Salt as much as you required. 1 big tomato, 1 garlic pod, cumin, urid and mustard mix for tempering, and we need to keep them aside. We also need 1 spoon of oil as well. First we need to take chana dal in a dry pan and we need to dry roast them on low flame until they slightly change the color. While we are dry roasting our chana dal, we will peel out our ridge gourd like this. We need to peel our ridge gourd or birakaya like this, and we need to remove the all ouchy skin. After you cut ridge gourd, you need to take them in a plate and keep them in a side. We are still frying our chana dal on low flame. They haven't slightly changed the color yet, so we will cut the tomato while we are roasting our chana dal. Now chana dal slightly changed the color. We need to take them in a plate. And now we need to add our urid dal into a pan. Now we need to dry roast them on low flame until they slightly change the color. It takes 1 to 3 minutes only. Depends on your quantity, time will change. Now urid dal are lightly changed the color, so we will add our cumin seeds as well, and we will roast them 2 more minutes because they didn't change the color and they didn't dry roast. Now urid dal has slightly changed the color, so we need to turn off the stove and we need to let them cool off for 10 to 15 minutes. After taking out from the pan urid dal and cumin seeds, we need to take the same pan and we need to add half spoon of oil, and we need to add our ridge gourd or birakaya pieces in it. We need to cook them for 5 minutes, and we need to also add pinch of turmeric and salt. I am adding little bit salt in this. Later I will check if I can add some more salt if needed. So you need to cook them for 6 to 8 minutes on low flame. If you do like this, then the bottom ridge guard pieces will come up and cook very well. After 5 to 8 minutes, our ridge guard are cooked. So we need to take them into a plate. Now you need to take the same pan and you need to add chopped tomatoes and garlic. We need to cook this for 1 to 3 minutes because tomato will cook very fast. While we are cooking tomato, we need to take our all urid dal, chana dal and cumin seeds into a mixie jar and we need to make as a fine powder. Now our urid dal, chana dal and cumin seeds in a blender I made as a fine powder. Now our tomato also cooked, so we need to turn off the stove and let it cool for 10 minutes. And also we need to let it cool our ridge guard pieces for 10 minutes. Once we cool them off, we will grind them as a pachadi along with urid, chana and cumin powder, and we also add our red chilli powder. Now I took ridge guard and tomato and garlic in the blender. Now I am adding red chilli powder. We will make as a beerakaya pachadi now in a blender. Once you make this as a pachadi, you need to take it out and keep in the bowl. And in the same pan, we need to take half spoon of oil and we need to wait until oil gets heat enough. Now our oil is heat enough, so we will add our cumin, urid and mustard seeds in it. Once urid dal slightly changed the color, we need to add our ridge guard pachadi in it and just keep it for 1 to 2 minutes on low flame. Now our beerakaya pachadi is ready. This is great combination for idli, dosa, chapati, naan, parota. Now we need to turn off the stove. Now our yummy tasty beerakaya pachadi recipe is ready. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching Novita Creations. Please subscribe, like, share, comment Novita Creations. Bye. I will see you soon with another video.